and Seth. Hi,
They're here,
guys!
guys. Surprise!
Wala kaming naririnig.
Wala sila dito.
Parang hindi naman kami maingay, no?
Hindi.
Wala kami dito ngayon.
Hindi na nga po eh, medyo malayo.
Hello, Francet. Mag-hi naman kayo sa inyong fans.
Hello!
Hello po, Frances.
Of course, hello, Bench.
Hello everybody!
Yan, guys. So, you guys are a regular at Bench Fashion Week because I see you guys all the time. So, what's the feeling like of being a regular for Bench, being a part of the Bench family?
Well, to answer the first question, gaya nga nasabi ni Seth kanina, kapag may ganitong situation or event ang bench, parang first-timer kami lagi. Siyempre, hindi naman kami talagang confident yung mga kaba din kami. Ngayon, kanina pa naman sinasabi na nakabahan.
Regular ba? Regular na ka ba?
Tama yan, regular na
The
ka pa.
word for today is ka ba?
Para kasi sa akin, siyempre nakakakaba, malaki yung stage, mula mga 10 seconds na sa marami pwede hindi na 10 seconds. Pero, then today, ganun experience and of course, ang napansin dito, baka support, masaya siya gawin. Yun na lang, regular na ka ba, mapalit.
Kahit may regular na ka ba, talaga you guys are owning the moment this year. Anong masasabi niyo sa mga viewers natin na abangan, not just for you guys, but all of Bench Fashion Week?
We're going to have so much fun watching.
And of course, hindi lang yung fun, the line, the design, abangan nyo, the collection, summer nyo dyan. So, napakaganda at napakabangus. And of course, Bench is on the way to Venice. Let's go.
Let's go! We love that energy. Francet, thank you so much. Good luck. Napakaganda at napaka-pogi. See you later, guys.
See you later!
Ayan na. So talagang we love it.
Who's next?
Sabi nga, Gen Z energy. We love that from Seth.